Let me take you on a journey aboard the Regal Princess, one of Princess Cruises' most impressive vessels that has been making waves since its 2014 debut. This royal-class beauty weighs in at nearly 143,000 gross tons and can accommodate up to 3,560 passengers in double occupancy. With 19 decks and around 1,780 staterooms, this floating city offers something for everyone, from couples seeking romance to families planning the perfect vacation. The ship operates primarily from Fort Lauderdale, taking guests to stunning Caribbean destinations, through the Panama Canal, and even up to Alaska during summer months. What makes Regal Princess special is not just its size, but its thoughtful design that balances elegance with accessibility. The crew of 1,346 works tirelessly to ensure every guest feels like royalty, and honestly, they do a pretty fantastic job at it. When it comes to accommodations, Regal Princess does not mess around. The interior staterooms might be compact at around 180 to 215 square feet, but they are efficiently designed with modern amenities that make you forget you are in the smallest category. These rooms feature flat-screen TVs with streaming capabilities, climate control, and surprisingly comfortable beds that convert from twins to king size depending on your preference. Ocean View's staterooms bump up the space slightly to 195 to 235 square feet and offer that crucial window to the outside world. Some might have obstructed views, but let us be honest, even a partially blocked ocean view beats staring at a wall. The balcony categories are where things get interesting, offering 250 to 300 square feet of space, plus that coveted private outdoor area where you can sip your morning coffee while watching dolphins play in the ship's wake. Mini suites provide around 320 square feet of luxury, while premium suites go beyond 430 square feet and can include butler service. All rooms come equipped with mini fridges, safes, luxury toiletries, and high-speed internet access. The recent 2023 refurbishment added smart TV upgrades and refreshed bedding that guests consistently rave about in reviews. The dining scene on Regal Princess is where this ship truly shines, offering everything from casual bites to sophisticated fine dining experiences. The Crown Grill serves as the premium steakhouse, charging around $35 to $45 per person for what many consider the best steak at sea. The prime cuts are perfectly prepared, and the seafood options like lobster tail will make you forget you are not dining at a high-end restaurant on land. Horizon Court Buffet operates as the main casual dining venue, staying open most hours of the day with an international spread that caters to every palate. From fresh salads and soups to pasta stations and grilled items, plus a dessert section that could be dangerous for your waistline, this buffet consistently receives praise for both variety and quality. Sabatini's Italian Trattoria brings authentic Italian flavors to the high seas with handmade pastas and traditional antipasti selections. The pappardelle bolognese and risotto dishes paired with Italian wines create an atmosphere that transports you straight to a cozy Roman trattoria. The $25 to $35 cover charge feels reasonable when you taste the quality of ingredients and preparation. Additional venues include Cafe Caribe for poolside snacks, Vine's Wine Bar for tastings and events, and the Wheelhouse Bar for sports viewing with a casual atmosphere. The variety ensures you will never get bored with your dining options, though your cruise fare might take a hit if you try everything. The pool and outdoor areas on Regal Princess cater to different moods and age groups effectively. 3 main pools include an adults-only area that provides a peaceful escape from the family chaos that can sometimes overtake cruise ship pools. The family pools feature splash zones perfect for kids, though do not expect massive water slides like you might find on some other cruise lines. Hot tubs and whirlpools are strategically placed around the deck areas, offering perfect spots to relax with a drink while soaking in warm bubbles. The sun deck provides plenty of loungers, though arriving early is recommended during sea days when everyone has the same idea about catching some rays. Outdoor sports facilities include a mini golf putting green that provides surprising entertainment value, a basketball court, and a jogging track that circles the ship. For those willing to pay extra, cabanas offer premium outdoor relaxation with dedicated service and shade from the Caribbean sun. Activities aboard Regal Princess strike a nice balance between active and relaxing options. The fitness center features modern equipment, cardio machines, and free weights, plus group classes like Pilates, spin, and yoga that happen daily. The sports facilities might not be as extensive as some newer ships, but they serve their purpose well for guests wanting to stay active. Entertainment centers around the Regal Theater, which hosts Broadway-style productions nightly alongside comedy acts and live music performances. The casino offers slots, table games, and a poker room that comes alive during sea days and evenings. Skywalker's nightclub provides DJ sets and dancing for night owls, though some guests note the nightlife scene feels more subdued compared to party-focused cruise lines. Enrichment programs include daily lectures covering destinations, history, wine tastings, cooking demonstrations, and workshops. Most are free or carry small fees, adding educational value to your vacation. Daily activities like trivia contests, bingo, dance classes, and game tournaments ensure there is always something happening if you want to participate. The Lotus Spa by LMEs provides a comprehensive wellness experience with massages, facials, body wraps, manicures, pedicures, and treatment packages. The facilities include saunas, steam rooms, hydrotherapy pools, and thermal suite relaxation lounges that create a serene escape from the bustling ship life. Wellness programs extend beyond spa treatments with mindfulness workshops, nutrition talks, and stress management seminars offered periodically. The spa typically operates from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., while the fitness center often opens earlier and closes later, accommodating different schedules and port-to-day variations. For families traveling with children, Regal Princess offers well-organized kids programs through the Splash Academy for ages 3 to 12, featuring arts and crafts, games, and supervised outdoor activities. The loft serves as the teen lounge with video games, music, movie nights, and social events tailored for ages 13 and up. Family-friendly cabin options include connecting rooms and interior balconies suited for larger groups traveling together. Onboard childcare and babysitting services are available upon request for additional fees, subject to availability. The programs receive consistent praise from parents who appreciate having supervised activities that keep kids engaged while adults enjoy some relaxation time. Shore excursions and ports of call vary depending on your chosen itinerary, but Caribbean routes typically include popular islands with cultural tours, museum visits, adventure hikes, snorkeling opportunities, and beach days. Mexican Riviera cruises offer local culinary experiences and historical site visits, while Alaska itineraries feature wildlife encounters and scenic helicopter rides. Both ship organized excursions through guest services and independent tours are possible, with tender ports used where docks are unavailable, especially at smaller islands. The flagship excursions sometimes involve private yacht charters or unique experiences that you cannot easily arrange independently. What truly sets Regal Princess apart from competitors is the SeaWalk, a glass-bottomed cantilevered walkway extending over the ocean that provides dramatic views of the water below. This signature feature creates Instagram-worthy moments and genuine thrills for guests brave enough to look down while walking 128 feet above the sea. The ship has received multiple cruise critic editors, picks awards for Best Premium Class Experience, and Princess Cruises emphasizes sustainability initiatives including advanced wastewater treatment systems, recycling programs, and reduced single-use plastics on board. These efforts show a commitment to environmental responsibility that many modern travelers appreciate. Guest reviews consistently average around 8 out of 10 on Cruise Critic and 4 stars on TripAdvisor, with service and cleanliness receiving high marks. Food quality rates vary well, though some variability is noted across different venues. Entertainment receives favorable feedback, though occasional comments mention limited nightlife options compared to party-focused competitors. Common positive themes highlight attentive staff, comfortable accommodations, and diverse dining choices. Negative remarks sometimes mention crowded public spaces during peak seasons and slow embarkation lines, though these issues are typically addressed promptly by onboard management teams. The ship serves as an ideal choice for mature travelers desiring a refined cruising environment and families wanting balanced activities for both kids and adults. Solo travelers appreciate the social opportunities, while luxury seekers might prefer higher-end brands but still find excellent value here. The elegant yet approachable ambiance works well for those seeking an upscale experience without ultra-luxury price tags. Before booking, consider checking specific itinerary details regarding ports and tender versus dock access. Verify any mobility needs can be accommodated, and confirm current health and safety protocols. Consulting the latest promotions directly through official channels ensures the best rates and offers are obtained prior to commitment, making your Regal Princess experience both memorable and affordable. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.